Do you want a fully autonomous AI assistant that runs completely on your own laptop, 100% free, private, and with no subscriptions whatsoever? Well, today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to set this up in minutes using Google's brand new Gemma 4, Ollama and OpenClaw. We're going to watch this new agent fully working and build us an SEO calculator with just one prompt all by itself. Let's go. So first of all, here is a quick breakdown of the tools themselves. Ollama is a free open source program that lets you download and run large AI models locally on your computer. And after setup, you do not need internet at all. Imagine speaking to ChatGPT without actually having been connected to the internet, or imagine speaking to Gemini without connecting to the internet. This is what this enables to do. Gemma 4 is Google's latest open source AI model. It was released on April 2nd, just gone. It excels at reasoning complex tasks and has a top score of 2,150 on Codeforce's ELO and around 80% on Live Code Bench. It is quite the absolute beast. It runs super fast on laptops, it supports images and audio, and handles a very long context window, which is super important if you're building agents. OpenClaw is the powerful agent layer that turns your local model into a truly autonomous assistant. It can read and write files on your computer, it can run commands, it can automate tasks, so you can tell it to do something tomorrow and it'll do it, and it can actually act independently and think for itself, all through familiar chat apps, so you don't need to go to the interface of a ChatGPT, for instance. You could just speak on WhatsApp to your own agent, and I have about 17 right here on my machine over here. Step one is super easy. First of all, you go to ollama.com, you download Ollama for Mac, Windows or Linux. Installation literally takes under a minute. And then what you need to do from here is go and open your terminal. And if you're not familiar with terminals and what they are, then please do another search, and maybe I'll do another video on that in the future. But in your terminal, you need to run Ollama pull Gemma 4 ... E4B. And if your laptop has more RAM and power, you can actually pull the larger Gemma, which is a 26B version instead. Gemma 4 is fully local and licensed under Apache 2.0, so there are zero restrictions. Once this is done, step 2 is you go and install and set up OpenClaw. Now this is again very easy to do. OpenClaw surfaced a couple of months ago, and the easiest way to do it is open your terminal and run this command on your screen. So this will automatically install OpenClaw if needed, and it will start a quick onboarding process. From here you choose Ollama as the provider, and then you connect to the local address, which should be a local host 11434, and select Gemma 4 as your model. The whole setup takes just a few minutes, and now you fundamentally have your own agent to start communicating with, either in the interface on your machine, or you can connect to Telegram. To connect to Telegram, it's quite simple. OpenClaw guides you through creating a bot and linking it. This again takes under a minute. Guys, we are doing this in minutes here, not hours. Now your fully autonomous AI assistant lives inside your Telegram, so even if you are out of the house, even if you're going running, cycling, swimming, fishing, Telegram is there with you, and you're able to send prompts to action your AI agent at home on your machine to do stuff for you. Now, if you go to Telegram, what you want to do is say, build me a complete single file SEO calculator in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It needs keyword density, word count, readability score, basic traffic estimator and improvement suggestions. Make it clean and fully functional. And here are the results of what's happening right now. As you can see, it is working. Now look at this, your AI is autonomously generating clean working code in one shot. Here you want to save the file as SEO_calculator HTML and open it in any browser, paste in some text, and it will instantly analyze those keywords, show scores, and give smart suggestions. Now this is just one small example, but because it's a true autonomous agent, it can handle real tasks on your laptop, like managing files, running scripts, automating workflows, and so much more, and all while keeping everything 100% private. No data leaves your machine. No data goes to the big 4 AI companies. You have this completely local. It is completely in your memory. So here are some pro tips for the best experience. What I would do if I was you, use the E4B version if you have 16 to 24 gigabytes of RAM, because it delivers amazing speed on most laptops. When you're prompting your AI, add think step by step to your prompts when you want deeper, higher quality results. The good news is this setup also handles images and long conversations extremely well, and best of all, it beats paying monthly for ChatGPT or Claude while keeping all of your data completely private and under your control. Now, one of the things that I will caveat is when building apps or little programs with an AI agent, you have to remember that these are not scalable and you can't take those to market immediately. It does require thicker logic, but it does require more logic, but that's it. In under 10 minutes, you now have your own fully autonomous local AI assistant running on your laptop. Again, download Ollama, pull Gemma 4, launch OpenClaw, connect it to Telegram, and then start giving it real tasks. You can even set up an email for it. All the links of what I've spoken about and commands are below in the description. If you do try it, comment below and tell me the first task or project you gave your new assistant. Guys, this is an exciting time for all of us in the AI space and everyone in the world. I personally believe everyone's going to have an agent and an AI assistant in the not too distant future. Like this video if you've liked it, subscribe if you've liked it even more, and if you would like any more AI tutorials, comment below on what you would like to learn next.